Greetings, Arry the Stag fans. TR Tony here, and just a quick update this week on Eddie the S, the Triumph 2500 S Saloon, which I'm sure you've been following the story on. It was a very rainy day a couple of weeks ago, but Arry and I managed to get a little bit more work done on the car. Let's go and check it out. Right, after many months, we're back on Eddie the S, and Arry's joined us today.
All right.
All right, mate?
Yeah.
Yep. Very handy bloke to know. And as you can see, rain has stopped play for a moment, but we are in the engine bay with the engine on the hoist, and we've got the engine mounts just gone on, so we're swinging in the window a little bit. We've got the two mounts, there's one there and one over there, so now we're just trying to drop the engine onto those, bolt them up, and then we can swing the gearbox back up and get it bracketed. So that's the plan when it finally stops raining, mate. Okay, so here we are, an hour and a half later, when it rained like hell. Top tip for those doing this is that you've got to take that engine rubber off, mount it to the actual front of the engine, then drop it in on the chassis, because we were trying to do it the other way and it just wouldn't go in. Sounds so simple, but basically this rubber here was attached to the leg rather than the car. We did it to the car first, so that finally we discovered how to do it, and there it is, it's back on, so it's all good. Right, next job then is to get the gearbox bracket up on the back of the box here onto these bolts that go into the bottom of the car. We've got some metal sleeves, one of which we just happened to lose, but I found it, so that's good. That's Dylan in the background going to help us, so you can see Harry there just sliding on those sleeves.
I'll be over here in case if you need it.
Okay, thanks Dylan. And then we're going to put the
slide down on the grass.
Supporting bracket up. Grass.
Where do you want your tea?
Oh, we've got tea now as well. So there we are, so that's where it's going.
Out here somewhere.
Okay, there we are.
Right.
It's all go here. Now it's Stag up. I'll go stop recording now. Help Harry. Okay, so we've got the cross member now in, loosely fitted here. And now we're trying to get this bracket at the back of the gearbox to hook up with the yoke on the cross member mount. Top tip as to which way it goes round is this is smooth as a baby's proverbial bottom, this side, but the other side on the front face has got stone chips. So that's how you know which way to put it back in. And I guess now we've just got to get this two bolts through there, and we've got plenty of wiggle, as you can see. It's got metal sleeves at the top here, and then these little bushes and some fresh nuts and washers on there. Doing a good job, Harry. And Harry's wearing a new kind of hat which illuminates the whole thing, which is very good, mate. Very good. Does make a difference. Okay, so after some fiddling and grunting and lifting with the jack and fiddling about, we are now all in, nice and securely pulled up tight, and the yoke at the back now nice and neat. So now all we've got to do is clean up this here prop shaft. Probably gonna have to remove it from the back to get it into the rear of the gearbox, as you can see on those splines, so we need to make it tidy, and to do that we'll have to take the prop shaft off at the back there on the flange, and then connect it up there, and then connect it back up there. So that's the next plan. So now we've got the engine and gearbox in, the next job after we've done the prop shaft will be to have a look at the head and get that securely back on the engine. Unfortunately, rain stopped play the very moment we'd finished filming, so this is going to be the next task. We've bought a whole load of stuff from James Paddock, and due to start again this weekend, so we'll update you soon on the progress with that, and hopefully soon we'll be starting the engine after many months. That's it for this week, guys. Have a great week, and we'll see you online on Arry the Stag very soon.